Hi friends. Okay, so tonight is my cousin's birthday dinner, and I have been rocking these twists. So the last video you saw me do, I did those twists, I took them out, you saw the results. This was the video before this one. And then I just retwisted my hair, and I've just been rocking those same raggedy twists now for the last, like, I don't know, 2 weeks. So, but whatever, it is what it is. So what I decided to do today is sort of like rejuvenate twists. So this is just a way that you can sort of salvage older twists. Now, I'm honestly going to be doing really lazy retwisting here. Not tons of moisture, not tons of product, just a very little bit. And you'll sort of see how I rejuvenate these. I am hoping that, given it's now like 1 or 2, almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon, I am really hoping that my hair sets in the next like 6 hours, so that by the time we're leaving, I can take my hair down, show you the results, and it actually be cute. So we shall see how this all turns out. I took out some of the twists that were on the side because those were really raggedy. These ones I'm going to leave alone, and then we're going to redo some of these here, and I'll show you sort of what I'm doing to sort of rejuvenate these twists. So
tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel the way I do about ya. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
okay, so this is my hair. The twists are not super wet. So what I'm gonna do now is add a little bit more moisture so that I can set it. Typically, we would be doing this on, if this wasn't a refresher tutorial, we would be doing this on hair that was a little bit more damp than this and probably a little bit more product. But because I am going out tonight, I don't want to oversaturate the hair because then I'll have to sit under the dryer to make it dry and all that. So this may not be a style that lasts more than just for tonight, but you know, we can do that sometimes too. Not every style has to last 3 weeks, okay? So I'm gonna just walk you through the last few steps, and then we'll dry, and then we'll take it down and we'll see what it looks like tonight. All right.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how and I'll do it, babe. Cause I just wanna make you feel the way I do about ya. So just tell me how and I'll do it, babe. I love it when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secret's safe with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I'm free.
the complete look. So, couple of things, two things. So, which I didn't show on camera, is one, I actually ended up doing this the next day. I did not do it, you know, the whole idea was to just do it real quick before going out with my cousin. Your girl didn't go. So, this is day 2. I did sleep overnight with the perm rods in my hair, which is why I think I have just a much tighter curl pattern. But I definitely feel like I revived the twists. The second thing is the sides of my hair is, like, my hair is really long. Like, it's grown out crazy. So I need a cut so badly. I don't feel like going all the way back up to Medford, Massachusetts, where my stylist is. That's also where my hair braider is. It ends up being sometimes like an hour and a half drive for me just to get there each way. And so I don't go there quite as often. And so I could go back to my barber, but I'm scared of him too. I don't know. Like, he used to cut my hair when I used to do some designs, but I don't do designs anymore. And so I'm like, maybe I should just let my dad do it. He could do it. He used to taper me too. So I need a cut. So what I did with the sides is I wet the sides, added a little bit of Echo Styler, and just like raked my hands through. And I'm patting it down so it looks more tapered than it is. It's harder for me to do that in the back because, as you can see, the hair is just all grown out in the back. So I'm like this. Look at this edges. Look at my kitchen, okay? Look at the kitchen, honey. And so it's harder back there. It is what it is. I definitely want to have my husband just clean it up for me. But I think it's still working, especially like a cute Valentine's Day. I think this is a whole look for the holidays. And everything I have on my face is actually Urban Decay, except for the eyeliner, the mascara, but my face is Urban Decay All Nighter Foundation. I have the Urban Decay Cherry Highlighter. I have also the Urban Decay Cherry on the lids. So most of my look is Urban Decay. And of course, you know, I contour with Juvia's Place Blush 2 palette. Use the coupon code Lisa to save 10%. But anyway, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up, take some pictures, and move on with my day. Be sure to leave questions, comments, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, show your girl some love on Facebook and also on the blog. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye.
Tell me how to be closer to ya. Tell me how, and I'll do it, babe. 'Cause I just wanna make